welcome to today's video where I will be showing you guys how I achieved this burnt orange summery sunset makeup look, the first summer makeup look to jump off the season. So we will be using the Morphe 3502 palette today. This palette is perfect for this look. It has all the perfect and right shades. I'm going to take that golden shimmery shade. I don't know the shade names. I lost a little pamphlet, but you know, you could go to the site and figure it out yourself, girl. And I'm just putting that onto my brow bone with the Sigma E30 brush to lift the brow bone and make it pop. Next, I'm going into these two shades right here. These are going to be our transition shades, and I'm using the Morphe E27 for this. I like this brush because it applies the color and blends it out at the same time. So you're not spending a lot of time blending out the color. You're applying it and blending it as you go, like in one step. Next, I'm going to take this sort of coppery orange shade and this orange shade to sort of get a burnt orange outcome. I'm using the Morphe E17 brush, and I'm just going to pack that into my crease area and then begin to blend it out. So I'm just getting the best color payoff, the most pigmentation I can get, and then with the same brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm trying to get all of the color off of that brush, so when I blend it out, I'm not blending up pigmentation. I'm just diffusing the edges, defocusing the edges, and I'm also fanning out or winging out the edge of the shadow. Next, I'm going to take this Kat Von D Whiteout Lock-It Concealer. I love using a white concealer because it just makes the shadows you apply on top pop better, like you get the true color. And I'm just taking a Morphe M508 and I'm just carving out a half cut crease. Nothing too precise, nothing too sharp. I'm just doing like a rough draft because we're going to clean it up anyways, and we're also putting glitter liner over top of that line, so that'll distract if your line or your cut isn't as crisp as you want it to be. So we're just carving it out. And now I'm going to take the shimmery red shade and the shimmery orange shade. First, I'm just laying down the red first. Then I'll put the orange over top of it so we can get like a fire orange outcome. And I'm just packing that on with the same Morphe M508 brush into the area in which we carved out. And now, right here, I'm applying the orange shade right on top and blending it into the red with the same exact brush. Next, I'm going to take this chocolate brown or milk chocolate shade, and we're going to define the crease because it kind of looks flat. We kind of lost that cut out shape, and this adds depth to your cut crease so it looks dimensional. It doesn't look flat. It makes it pop. It makes it look 3D, and it also makes your crease look deeper than it is. So I like doing this trick. The brush name will be down below because it's not off the top of my dome right now, but I'm just applying that, and then I'm just blending it out with the Morphe R41 brush. And next, I'm going to go into this deeper espresso chocolate brown shade. This is a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. It came in the rose gold 10-piece set, but it turns out it's discontinued. So unfortunately, I cannot link it down below for you guys, but it's just a pencil brush. And I'm just going to pack it into the outer corner of my eye to add some depth to the eye because the eye was looking a little flat with just the orange and the red shades. So I had to deepen it up a little bit to give it some contrast and dimension. So I'm just packing that into my outer corner and blending it into the shimmery shades on the inner lid, and then also blending it into the crease and blending it out. So it's just very smooth, it's very blended, it's very seamless, nothing too harsh, nothing too dark, nothing too deep. Now I'm going to take this NYX glitter liner. I really liked this applicator because it was very thin, so it aided in getting you a very nice precise line. But what I like to do is I like to put my hand on my face just so my hand doesn't shake as I'm applying this, but just be very careful because you don't want to mess up. But this brush was very thin enough so you can get a very thin line the first time. Next, I'm going to take this Too Faced glitter glue and this Violet Vosh chunky glitter. It's in the shade Amore. This was my first time using chunky glitter, so I was like very excited, but I thought it was going to be more gold than it was, but it was actually like kind of gold and silver. But in certain lights it looks gold, certain lights it looks silver. So I'm just applying that to my inner corner with a Morphe M168 brush, applying the glitter glue, and then just applying the chunky glitter right on top. And I really like this glitter glue because it just sticks right away. I love it. Next, I'm going to take this MAC Feline eye kohl and just tight line my upper waterline, so when I apply lashes and mascara it looks cohesive. I did my face off camera. Next, I'm taking the matte red shade, not the shimmery one. I'm taking a Morphe M432 brush, and I'm just balancing out the lower lash line. So I'm just packing that onto my lower lash line. This is the only shade I'm using because I really liked how it looked, and we're just getting the best color payoff, the best pigmentation of this shade. For mascara, I'm taking this L'Oreal mascara, and for lashes, these are Adorned by Shay. I will have the names down below. I apply those off camera. And for lips, I'm taking this Morphe Bite Me color pencil to line my lips. I really love these color pencils. Like, Morphe really did that. They're only $3. They're better than the NYX pencils because the NYX pencils are kind of waxy, but these ones are creamy and they just glide over your lips. Like, you don't have to have it warm up. I really like these, and they're only $3. Next, I'm taking this MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Honey Love. Honestly, this is like my new favorite nude. I really like that. So I'm just putting it onto my lips and blending it into the lip liner. And lastly, I'm just going to apply a gloss on top, and this is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Gloss. This is in the shade SPL. I don't know, it was on the bottle. I don't know if that's the right shade, but this completes my first summer look of the season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Chanel with the T. Okay, honey, thank you so much for having my post notifications on. Thank you for being subscribed to my channel, girl. I appreciate you so much. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, ensure you are subscribed to my channel. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads and to see more videos from me, more fire makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, fashion tutorials, and hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.